hea õpetaja, koolijuht ja noorsootöötaja, ootame sind Proovikivi innovatsioonilaborisse. Innovatsioonilabor on täienduskoolitus, kus me loome koos, uurime koos ja õpime, kuidas rakendada projektipõhist õpet. Selle raames teeme me koostööd ka Tallinna Ülikooli tudengitega, kellel on põnevad uurimisteemad ja ideed, mida nad teiega koos sooviksid arendada. Ja nüüd tutvustamegi teile mõningaid nendest tudengitest.
Hello, I'm Alina and I'm a master student from the School of Educational Sciences at Tallinn University. My goal is to learn how to better support teachers in implementing project-based learning, as you also learn new techniques, tools, strategies. I will be happy to work with you. Besides, I know Russian, so Russian-speaking teachers are welcome. We can easily cooperate. See you in the Proovikivi Innovation Lab.
Tere, my name is Vishnu. I'm a designer and master student in Tallinn University. My goal is to develop a design thinking toolkit that helps teachers to mediate in project-based learning. So let's join me in Proovikivi Innovation Lab and let's design it together.
Tere, mina olen Maarja ja mina olen Tallinna Ülikooli kasvatusteaduste magistrant ja löön Proovikivis kaasa vabatahtlikuna. Mina aitan tõlkimisega, et kõik osapooled üksteist suurepäraselt mõistaksid.
Tere, I'm Maisa and I'm a student from Tallinn University. I have more than 5 years of experience working with global development projects like UN Sustainable Development Goals. And I'm really interested in inclusive classrooms and project-based learning. Existing research says that project-based learning can have a positive impact on the so-called weaker students in the class, or students with learning difficulties. As part of my master's thesis, I aim to develop a self-reflection tool to help students with learning difficulties. Come and join us at the Proovikivi Innovation Lab.